my dear friends of grade 4. Today in amazing assignment we have the textual grammar part taken from the lesson 2. Let's get into it. The first one is Sid's father was not at home when he returned. Choose the subject. The options are Sid, Sid's father, home, he. What is subject? Who or what is performing an action in a sentence. So who is performing the action here? Sid's father. So obviously the subject is Sid's father. Option 2. Next one, grandma asked Sid to eat parathas. Choose the object. The options are Sid, eat, grandma, asked. What is object? Which receives the action of a verb. So here the object is Sid. Option 1. Identify the figure of speech used in the line. The stars form the blanket over the earth. The options are simile, hyperbole, alliteration, metaphor. So if you observe the sentence, the stars cannot be formed like a blanket over the earth. Yes, it is not literally true. When it is not literally true, we should consider the figure of speech as metaphor. So the answer is option 4. Next one, Sid is writing in his notebook. Identify the predicate. The options are Sid, writing, is writing in his notebook, is writing. Other than subject in a sentence, the remaining sentence can be considered as what? Predicate. So what is subject here? Sid. And the remaining sentence is writing in his notebook, can be considered as predicate. So the answer is option 2. Next one, Sid's pencil is worn out. Identify the predicate. The options are Sid's pencil is worn out. Other than the subject, the predicate is considered as in a sentence. So what is subject? Sid's pencil. Other than Sid's pencil, the remaining sentence can be considered as predicate. That is worn out is the predicate. Do honeybees live in nests? The options are imperative, interrogative, declarative, exclamatory. So the question type sentences always can be considered as interrogative sentence. So the answer is option 2. Next one, identify the figure of speech used in the line. The land is as dry as a bone. The options are simile, hyperbole, alliteration, personification. Here the comparison is happen using the word as. When the comparison happen using the word like or as, we should consider the figure of speech as simile. So the answer is option 1. The last one, identify the subject in the sentence. It is the day of the test. The options are test, day, best, it. I already said the subject should be either noun or pronoun. Yes. So what is that? It. It is the subject in this sentence. So the answer is option 4. Hope you all understood today's assignment. Thank you.